In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix network error in CapCut. If CapCut keeps showing a network error, don't worry, follow along and we'll get you back up and running. First, confirm that your internet connection is stable. Make sure Wi-Fi is turned on and that your device is actually connected to a working network. If you're on Wi-Fi, check that you can load a web page in your browser. If the signal is weak, move closer to the router or briefly toggle Wi-Fi off and back on to refresh the connection. If you're on mobile data, ensure data is enabled and you have coverage. Next, close CapCut completely so it isn't running in the background. Reopen CapCut to its home screen, then tap the settings icon in the top right. In the settings menu, look for the option to clear the cache. This is often represented by a small trash can icon. Tap it, confirm by selecting OK, and give it a few seconds to remove temporary files. Clearing the cache won't delete your projects, it just removes temporary data that can sometimes cause connection hiccups. When it finishes, tap Save. Now relaunch CapCut and see if the network error is gone. If the issue persists, we'll try connecting through a VPN to bypass any network restrictions. Open your web browser and go to vpngate.net. Leave that page open for a moment. On your computer, open the system settings, then go to Network and Internet, select VPN, and choose Add VPN. For the connection name, you can enter any label that helps you recognize it. Leave that window open. Back in your browser on vpngate.net, scroll down to the list of free VPN servers. Pick any server from the list and copy its address. Return to the Add VPN window and paste that address into the server name or address field. Change the VPN type to Secure Socket Tunneling Protocol. For the sign-in method, choose username and password. Enter the credentials provided by the VPN listing or service, then click Save. Now click Connect to establish the VPN connection. Once it shows as connected, launch CapCut again. Open your project or try any online action that previously failed. If the VPN route was the culprit, the network error should be gone and everything should sync or upload normally. That's all there is to it. If this tutorial helped you fix the CapCut network error, please like the video and subscribe for more CapCut tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.